access rights are not given. In fact, the the central software will work over the LAN. Okay, sitting over in any department. Okay, they can update the software and access the information. One best feature left with this software is either principal or HOD can use the meeting scheduler. Meeting scheduler is the fantastic option available in this software. They can schedule the meeting. It's like a reminder to the employees or meeting attendees to come and attend the meeting. This is all about the employee profile, student profile, and the account model. So let me take you to the fourth model. So that is the library model. So let me log in with the existing login ID and password. Is the librarian who can able to he's the only person can log in into this library model. I think this is the model latestly recently installed in one of the college in Bangalore, BSVP. Okay, degree college. So here they can add the new books arrived into the library. Okay, book transaction. So they can enter the book number here. Okay, such this book is issued to this particular employee already. Okay, this book is issued. They cannot issue this book again until it is returned. So to issue you need to change the status to return. Okay, membership date is expired, please re-register. So membership date of this expiry date of this employee is already crossed. We need to renew the membership. So this is all the validations and all taken care in the issuing and retrieving the book in the book transaction details. Let me take you the stock checking and verification report. So what happens, let's see, for that library there is a 21,135 books available. Okay, they can search this database with respect to book author, let's say I think KD Basava is the KD Basava is the economist. He has written so many books. See, I think 69 books are available for this who is belong to this KD Basava. Okay, he can select all and take print. Okay, or else he select one by one and take report of this. Okay, this is how it is helpful to track the database of the library books and issuing and returning, adding the new books. So let me take you to the another node transaction, daily transaction. So book number, let enter some book number. Okay, yes, like this 10, 100 and 1000 books are issued to the so and so employee. Okay, so and so student. Okay, user ID, for any user ID, let's think how many books issued to that particular user. Okay, let me take the 13 is the user. I shown you here there. Yes, 13. 100 is the book number issued to the user 13. Okay, so who is this 13? That we will get in the search top membership details. Okay, and book dues. So this will help to how many books are dues. I mean to say books which all are not returned though they have crossed the return date. Based on this we can put the fine for that people and all. This is even we can take these books and all print of this by selecting all or by selecting one by one here. Okay, so this node will help to the librarian to add the membership. In fact, either student or staff will become the member of the library. How many books he is supposed to get? Okay, and what will be his registration date and expire date? This is how it will help to the librarian, you know, to create the profile, membership profile of the library. So these are the titles of the stop here, and this can be updated here. Add master table records here. See, title can be added. Let's see, stu is the code. It's up to you. Whatever you can add as a code. Okay, and student is the description. So it is inserted successfully here. Okay, like this he can add the title here, so that it will come and display here in the student. Okay, and what is the latest in the actually let's think from the date range, this date to date any books. Yes, there are two books arrived here. Okay, so let's think book number. Okay, In case any books missing in this list, you can update the status to missing. So there is a possibility of books are missing, okay, and that we can update here, okay. So only missing books it can show. So this is the only books as of now missing because the status is missing here. This like this we can track the missing books, okay, latest arrivals, okay, due books, okay, issued books and all here. And in fact we can search the stop stop search stop and members details here. In either stop or student will be the member of this library model. We can search their profile like here, okay. And by first name or by last name, by user id, by default it comes all. And this is all about the library model. Okay, I hope I did know the demo. And why should you purchase EMS only? Okay, so you might have come across with so many softwares like this, but how could this EMS will stand different is only because of its data security. EMS is using this one Microsoft SQL Server as its backend. Okay, it has got the login ID and password. Until and unless you know this password, you will not able to access this database, you will not able to log in into this database, do something. So it means that none of them who don't know the login ID and password will not able to entertain with the database. Data is totally secure, they cannot able to delete, they cannot able to update. That's what the guarantee viewers will give the data security with this EMS software. And above this, so EMS providing the data backup facility. So there is a option in any Windows software, okay. So what it will do, it will, I think, just a minute, I will take you there. Schedule task. What it will do, it will allow the people to schedule their task automatically. See here the SQL backup is the software. So what it will do, it will go to this server, okay. I think I will show you how it works again. It will go to the server. See the properties here, settings, at every day schedule. I think at what time, 1:21 p.m. it will come to the this server, take the backup and place it to the mapped folder. Anywhere you can map it, okay. So I think that is mapped here as of now. EMS database backups, it will come and sit here. Even you can map this path to the DVD which is there in the DVD driver, and you can map this path to the, okay, any of the system which is in the network. So it always gives the assurance that there is the pure security. There is no question of losing the data. That's how the EMS software stands differently in any other softwares, okay. And they promise to the people 1 year annual AMCs with a free of cost and training to the software till they get master to use this software. These are the value added features, and the customer can take the maximum benefit of it. And so many colleges, degree colleges, grade 1 colleges, medical colleges, pharmacy colleges already getting benefited of this software. So I think you don't have second thought to delay to use this software.